Okay guys, I just want to show you this website here. And what it is basically, one of those times when you don't know what to make for lunch or dinner and you're out of ideas, and it could be that you don't have many ingredients in your fridge, like I don't right now. I need to go shopping because I don't have hardly anything in my fridge. That's where this website will help you, because what it does is that you just have to tick all of the ingredients that you've got, and it will automatically suggest recipes based on what you have rather than what you don't have. So it's really helpful. I've found that. So let me tick the stuff that I've got. No, actually I don't have apples. I've got some fruit. I have hardly anything, so this is not, unfortunately, a good time for me to do this. Oh dear. Some mushrooms, some olive oil, some pasta noodles, potatoes, rice, tomatoes, tomato sauce. I've got some oranges. Bread. I've got some oranges, but it doesn't say that on here. That's basically all I've got right now. So yeah, it looks like I need to do some shopping. Anyway, let's go find recipes. It takes some time. Oh, here we go. This is where it is. So the first one is a fried potato sandwich. Oven baked French fries. These are the suggestions they gave me. Yeah, wow, look. So many interesting things. Baked spaghetti, that sounds good. There's more. So yeah, you've got loads and loads of suggestions here, as you can see. Some of these, I don't know why it's showing me egg, because I did not tick egg there. You know that quite clearly. So yeah, it's a really useful website to get recipes tailored to your situation, rather than just random recipes and you might not have the ingredients. So yeah, just wanted to share that with you.